Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I will show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. So the first you have to find the Google folder and go for the Gmail. As you can see, here we are. So for example, we have to switch to this one and then tap here and click to manage accounts on this device. And if you want to remove one of the account, I'm going to remove this one. Click on the remove account, confirm by tapping on the remove account. And as you can see, it was removed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And of course it will disappear. So yeah. So see ya in the next video.